Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Christmas Cat. This painting that I did today is inspired by a photo that was submitted by one of my Patreon members by the name of Becky Yamaguchi. I have a benefit for my Patreon members whereby every now and again I'll put a call out for photos. They'll submit them. I will select some of them and turn them into YouTube tutorials, and as a thank you, I'll send the original off to whoever submitted that photo. So if you're interested in either watching the full-length version of this video or learning how you too could submit one of your photos to me to turn into a tutorial, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that's going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a curious little cat in a Christmas tree. I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.